What's going on, guys? So welcome back to the channel. This time we got my nephew's 15 Camaro. It's the one where we've done the trunk and we also did the hood, tail lights, all that good stuff. Did a little walk around. I can't really see, can't tell what you guys can see or not. Well, anyways, this is what it looks like right now. It's a little dirty, but that's because it's just dirty. All right, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do the spoiler. We're gonna add a spoiler to this car, and hopefully it looks good, man. So here we go.
Yeah, you running off, my hands are tied. You coming back, my hands are tied now. We're making love, my hands are tied. I'm waiting on you, trying to play, but my hands are tied now. You running off, my hands are tied. You coming back, my hands are tied. We're making love, my hands are tied. I'm waiting on you, trying to give, but my hands are tied now. Tapped out on the scene, throw some checks, we're gonna branch out on the real. And I got myself a new dummy, call my guy for more money. And as long as I don't be running, things are not gonna get ugly. And I promise you that I'ma cash out. You know me, throw some checks, we're getting racks now. On the real, roll away like I'm in France now. C'est la vie. Rock the boat like it'll capsize. Getting wet, we're getting baptized. Do it for my old homies, they be back home, still homegrown. Trying hard to get back at it, but no one knows where I'm going. Running.
Alright, so with this one doesn't have a stock spoiler on it already. So we have to go in there and drill the holes. And what we just did right now, this spoiler comes with a couple of little strips, plastic strips that you can put in the holes in the spoiler so that you can match them up where they're supposed to go. And hopefully if we measured everything right, did everything right, they're going to be in the right spot. So here we go.
Race, oh wow, I'm trapping on the way down. I'm grinding on.
So what we're gonna do now, and you guys probably won't see this side from over here, but what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and take off the liner that's inside of the trunk, and that'll give us access to the holes that are right here in the middle. These holes right here, we're gonna have access to these just because there's like a couple of like rubber covers where there's some holes already there, and we could just see where they're gonna be at.
Oh wow, I'm trapping on the way down. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slows and go ham. Pray, oh no, I cannot take this slow. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slows and go pro. Yeah, race, oh wow, I'm trapping on the way down. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slows and go ham. Yeah, pray, oh no, I cannot take this slow. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slows and go pro, yeah. Please don't take that powder, you don't got no reason. Moving on top of mountains, homie got trapped, no breathing. Boo-boo in my cabin, she done met the challenge. Way back in my village, all my homies battling. Way back in my village, I get up like salmon. Yeah. Turn up in your city, I don't need no package. Ratchets trying to reach me with the FUBU jacket. Run up with the silver and you know I jack it. I finna rip it from you. Riding around in my coupe. Rory that ain't got no roof. Sorry I cannot get loose. I'm always chasing the Benjamins. calling me Teddy Adrenaline. I tell my homies I'm veteran, they don't know nothing about the man. Oh wow, I'm trapping on the way down. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slopes and go ham. Pray, oh no, I cannot take this slow. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slopes and go pro. Yeah, race, oh wow, I'm trapping on the way down. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slopes and go ham. Yeah, pray, oh no, I cannot take this slow. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slopes and go pro. Yeah, okay, got you. Tryna get up, I'ma wife you. I don't know nothing about you. Calling the shots, I'ma write you. Smoking and cooking, that's what I do. Breaking the audio on auto-tune. Kicking my bars, I don't bite you. Tryna evolve like I'm right you. Same in a different way. All of my haters, they hate away. I swear I don't have nothing to say. With all of this cash in my company, I'm on the way to my mansion. Calling my label to cancel. I don't have time for no questions, I just had time for the answers. Race, oh wow, I'm trapping on the way down. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slopes and go ham. Pray, oh no, I cannot take this slow. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slopes and go pro. Yeah, race, oh wow, I'm trapping on the way down. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slopes and go ham. Yeah, pray, oh no, I cannot take this slow. I'm grinding on like the holy rail, and now hit the slopes and go pro. Yeah.
Money come between us, ain't not even capable to feed us. Why don't we just take the stacks and go to pieces? Yeah, that way we could lean away and all the people.
Oh my god, looking at my squad, baby acting Gucci, like I'm a rookie. Looking at me like, why do you go hard? Goddamn, I'm on a cruise ship, I do whatever that I want. Better understand, cause I don't know where I should start. Level out the score, cause yeah, I'm finna start. You don't even know, but baby, that's just how we are. That's just how we are now. And you don't even talk to me. I had to tell myself, don't leave. Baby, why don't you come with me? Hiking up the hill, that's easy. Oh my god, look at all my sauce. See me going crazy, like in the 80s. Looking at me like, where are my flaws? I don't know, I'm feeling lazy. Money come between us, ain't not even capable to feed us. Why don't we just take the stacks and go to pieces? That way we could lean away from all the people. Whatever that I want, better understand, cause I don't know where I should start. Level out the score, cause yeah, I'm finna start. You don't even know, but baby, that's just how we are. That's just how we are now. On up in Japan right now, I'm pushing for that moolah like a brand out now. That 808 be kicking like a penthouse now. We wanna do this shit without my friends right now. Now to let money come between us, ain't not even capable to feed us. Why don't we just take the stacks and go to pizza? Yeah, that way we could lean away from all the people.
Alright, so there it is. Spoilers on. Now we need to talk about front splitter, side skirts, wheels. Oh yeah, then want to do the roof too. But right now, there's the spoiler. It's got that like wicker bill look. That looks pretty awesome. Close the door. Alright guys, so that's it for this week. Little quick tip. This spoiler, when we ordered it, it came in like a primered black kind of looking color, just plastic black. So what I did is I sanded it down first with 220 grit and then with 320 grit in between each coat. And I did 3 coats of black, but it comes with like a primered and gloss black all in one. So you don't have to worry about, you know, getting 2 or 3 different types of cans or anything like that. So it actually came out looking really good. But it's pretty simple. I mean, the thing that sucks about the cars with spoilers is you have to actually drill holes into the car, and it does feel a little weird doing that, but it came out really good. It looks good, and that's it. So if you guys like the content, subscribe, hit that like button, comments, whatever you guys want to see done on this car, on that other car that's back there, and then let's see what we can get done. We'll see you guys. Have a good one.